Hey guys, it's Ashley from AshleyDrummond.com, and I'm going to show you how to do a squat jump today. So squat jumps are explosive movements. What in the world does that mean, and why do I have to do them? Well, a lot of times when we train our muscles with strength training, our muscles adapt to the type of training we are doing. So if you're constantly just doing slow repetitions, guess what? Your muscles are smart. They feel your body all day long. So they're going to constantly know how to do slow repetitions. If you challenge it with speed and agility, it'll be used to speed and agility. So in your abs transformation program, one of the reasons I have you doing squat jumps is so that way not only are you strengthening your muscles, but you're challenging your fast twitch muscle fibers. Fast twitch muscle fibers are the ones that sprinters use, powerlifters use. It is that quick, explosive power movement that really just shocks your muscles super fast. And then in your program, you'll jump right back to a repetition. So just nice and slow. I love them, I hate them because they work so good. What's the feeling? It hurts so good. It's exactly what these are. So I want you to make sure you have proper form. Feet, shoulder, hip width apart or so, whatever works best for you. I like to have it a little bit wider than my shoulders. However, as always, keep your chest up. I see so many people trying to squat, jumping down, and then doing this, and it's so lazy because I know what you're trying to do. You're trying to take all the weight off of your legs, and that doesn't work for me. I will correct you. But touch all the way to the ground each time you do this, so that way you're getting a full repetition. If you're just doing baby squats and baby jumps, then you might as well just stop and not waste your time. So keep your chest up when you do this. I'm going to do 3 repetitions to show you how it goes. You squat down, explode up as high as you can. 2, 3, just like that. The purpose behind it is that you're doing a nice slow squat down and then exploding, propelling your body up whenever you go up. So those fast twitch muscle fibers are going to start burning like crazy. I would aim for about 10 reps, 10 to 12 reps, depending on what part of the program you're in and what transformation stage you're in, is going to determine how many reps you do. But I want you to really focus on your form. Make sure that each one you are powering as hard as you can, because you want to get as much quality out of it as you can. Get the workout. Anything else that you want to add to it, you can. Be careful with weights. It puts a lot of pressure on your back. I know a lot of you guys are overachievers and you want to throw weights on there and challenge it more. If you do want to challenge yourself on more squat jumps, one thing you can do, step on a resistance band, hold it to the side. You're not going to jump as high, and that's okay because you're going for a little bit of a different explosive movement. But you can hold a resistance band to the side, squat down, explode up. You're going to get resistance coming up, and you're going to challenge your muscles even more to experience more muscle growth. However, that is a simple squat jump. In your program, I only have you doing body weight because you're going to be lifting weights in other areas of it. But check out the description below. Go to AshleyDrummond.com to see the rest of your exercises. Bye, guys.